Hey, what is up everybody, welcome back to another video. So today finally our quarantine period is over, and I'm gonna go to Prasant's place, and they have mango trees, so we're gonna climb in one of the mango trees and we're gonna pluck some ripe mangoes, and we're gonna do mango mukbang. Alright, so let's call up Prasant and let's invite Rahul. Yo. Hello Prasant, are you in for mango mukbang? Alright, I'm coming right away. Alright guys, so now let's call Rahul. So Rahul's phone is broken, so I think he's using his brother's phone. So let's call him. Let's call his brother. Rahul, Prasant koi dala. Let's go guys. Alright guys, so this is our Laikai, and I'm heading towards Prasant's house, and right now in Manipur there is curfew and lockdown because of the COVID situation, so it is very quiet guys. So the people of Manipur follow quarantine and lockdown very strictly. It's a good thing. So Prasant's house is right there. There. So this is Prasant's place guys. Let's go. Auntie! Hi! That's Prasant's mom. Prasant! Where are you? Come out. Dun, 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 dun. So guys, this is Prasant, our big boy. Alright guys, so we are gonna do mango mukbang today. That's the mango tree guys. You know, I'm gonna climb the tree and Prasant is gonna record me.
Like a monkey.
Guys, here's the real monkey. Transform! I'm gonna remove my mask because I'm in a safe place now. Yo, let's get started guys. Hey, yo! Yo, bro, yo! I made it! Yo, alright guys. So, see, this is my first. Wait. Chotu mango. Alright guys, first small mango. Yeah. Let's pluck another mango. Prasad, catch! How much mango do we want? How many, Prasant, can we eat? As much as I want. Let's see how much there are in the tree. Alright guys, we have plucked 3 mangoes. I think one of them is not that good quality because there was chotu. So I'm gonna pluck few more. Yes. One at a time. Yeah! Flop! I should have hit you in the head. Alright guys, so let's get down. Oh yo. Yo guys. Alright guys, so these are our mangoes.
Mangoes are very chotu. Let's go.
So Rahul is not yet here.
क्या है ये?
करेला है ये.
अच्छा.
Finally Rahul has arrived guys.
The lazy guy.
Welcome Rahul, yay!
The lazy guy. Who gets subscriber without uploading any videos.
This is called Hainau in Manipuri language guys. So let's start the mukbang guys.
Okay.
Alright guys, so let's start our mukbang. These are ripe mangoes, but these are different variety. So even when it's ripe, it's not a patek putu. It's not it's not soft. It is still hard. It's delicious. It's very sweet. So we're gonna add some salt to make it sweeter. Delicious. Rahul, you don't have to be kaiba, okay?
Kali rani ya.
Wow, guys. Mmm.
Macam
Awesome. Prashant, how is it? It is their mango, guys. Mmm. Badhiya. Amazing. So guys, let's try with chili. Mmm. Mmm. It's good. This is hot, but it's good. Today, guys, we mango mukbang, guys. Today we are mango mukbang with green chili having and ripe mango, yellow. Mm.
No.
Mm. 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 This is good. Mm. Juicy. Real juicy mango. Mm. Wow. Mm. Guys, this haino is very tasty. If you want to have this haino, you can come and visit Mr. Prasant. Well, guys, so I had 2 mangoes alone because these two are very shy, so I took the advantage and I had 2 mangoes. Really? Yeah. So he has just 1.
Yes.
Yeah, Rahul was late, so he got just 1. So it is his fault. Like he should have come earlier. So it was amazing having this mango mukbang. So this is the leftover, guys. So
You can.
yeah, we're gonna plant this and we're gonna get 5 more mango trees here. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll catch you up in another video. Till then, bye.